Hi everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget review. So basically, if you are someone who works with AI-generated charts like from ChatGPT, Gemini or Copilot or other tools, but you know how hard it can be to save or code them properly. So that's exactly where these websites comes in. I'm super excited because I'm introducing a brand new this tool called Convert Entire AI Chart to PDF. Yes, it's a free, secure and instant online tool that lets you convert AI generated charts, graphs or data visuals into a PDF format in just one click. So this is the very best tool to use it for. So no signups, no watermarks, no software needed. Everything happens right in your browser only. Now let's talk about what makes this tool stand out. Here are some of its key features. It has 100% free, guys. Yes, this tool is 100% free, no hidden charges, no subscriptions. It's completely free to use. And secondly, it has secure conversations. The uploaded charts are processed securely and automatically deleted after conversations, so your data stays private. And thirdly, it is instant output, no waiting or loading screens, and works on all devices, guys, so no installation required. Now let's jump into the demo and I will show you how to use it. So step 1, go to website and the link is in the description below. And here you can see, guys, it is also given a note: do not share personal, sensitive or confidential information, and your chart is used only to generate a PDF and will be deleted permanently after conversations. So we do not store or share your data under any condition. So I have told you it is completely safe, so no storing of your data and all, and it is securely. So this tool called Convert Entire AI Chart to PDF, free, secure and instant. So now let's do it. So firstly, you have to copy all your charts that you have generated from any ChatGPT or Gemini, from any AI tool. You just have to copy here. Here I have selected Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C. So it is copied now. Now go back to website and just paste here. And guys, when you click on this Convert to PDF, so your chart will disappear after conversation. So it will not store any of your charts. So now just tap on Convert to PDF. Yes, I have selected. You can see in just few seconds our PDF file is generated. Now we have to give a location, just paste on desktop and it will save you. Yes, now let's see the output. PDF file is created. Now let's just open it. Wow guys, amazing. Here you can see all my conversation of chats has got a best formatted in PDF. Best thing you can get to see here, guys, it is not mention your name. Yes, here you can see it is mentioned you said. It is not mentioned your name, ID or anything, something else. And the replied conversation of your AI assistant has shown assistant said. It is not showing or declaring the app you have used for AI. So guys, this tool isn't just for developers or techies. It's useful for everyone: students, data analysts, teachers, even content creators who want to clean chart visuals for the presentations. Basically anyone working with AI generated visuals can use this tool. So that's it guys, this is the very useful tool that you can use. It's free of cost, secure and instant converter for all your AI charts and visuals. Try it out right now and I have dropped the link in the description below. If you found this useful, guys, please like this video, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome tech tools and unboxing tutorials. Thanks for watching.